It's just, yep, grown man shoving Kleenex up my nose. Nothing to see here, folks.
No, it's not gonna go.
Scientifically, our noses sneeze when overwhelmed with bad particles, and this biological reboot results in a reset. Like our bodies, society needs a reboot. Sneezing away the world's problems, one sneeze and one frame at a time. What do you want to sneeze out of this world? Are you brave enough to share your sneeze frame? To find out more about the Sneeze Frame campaign, visit us at sneezeframe.org.